What if I told you you could lift the hardtop off your Wrangler totally by yourself and without the need for any heavy lifting? Today, I'm going to show you how to do just that. Rob here for Quadratec, and today we're taking a look at the QuadraTop 4-point hardtop hoist. It allows you to lift the hardtop off your Wrangler without the need for any extra hands easily, thanks to its use of ropes, pulleys, and mechanical advantage. Not only does it make it easy to lift the hardtop off your Wrangler, but you can safely and securely store your hardtop hanging from the ceiling in your garage during those warm summer months. Now, when the seasons change and it's time to reinstall the top on your Jeep, it's just as easy again to drop that top down by yourself, reinstalling it onto your Wrangler. Thanks to its universal design, when it's not being put to work hoisting your hardtop, well, you can use it to lift other items up off the floor of your garage, like maybe canoes, kayaks, or even bicycles. The options really are endless. They've been designed to be compatible, ranging all the way back to Jeep CJ hardtops through modern Wrangler hardtops, including both 2-door and 4-door Wrangler models. The QuadraTop 4-point hardtop hoists include all of your ropes, pulleys, block, and tackle to get it installed in your garage. However, because every garage situation is a little bit different, you will need to purchase a couple 2x4s and lag bolts to secure those 2x4s to your garage ceiling before you can get this kit installed. With the use of our detailed instructions, we'll help you identify whether your garage has ceiling joists that run side to side or front to back, so that you can confidently get your 4-point hardtop hoist easily installed to the ceiling of your garage. Now, here in our garage today, we first started by identifying our ceiling joists with the use of a stud finder. Then we transferred those measurements to our 2x4s. After pre-drilling those holes, we can fasten those 2x4s to the ceiling using some lag bolts. At this point, we can use a plumb line to locate the lifting points on our hardtop and transfer them to the 2x4s so that we can drill the holes and install the pigtail lag screws. I'll also be installing a third 2x4 across the previous two we installed so that I can centrally locate a rope organizer pulley. With the eye bolt installed on the opposite garage wall, we can now install the block and tackle. We'll run the ropes through the rope organizer, install a pulley on each one of the pigtail lag screws, and drop the ropes through. Next, we can move on to tying the included straps and buckles to each one of the 4 lifting ropes. Using a figure-8 follow-through knot, we'll securely tie the ropes to the straps, and then we can adjust the straps to the appropriate length, securing them through our hardtop. After disconnecting all of the hardtop bolts, wiring harness, and washer fluid hose, all that's left to do is safely and easily lift the hardtop up off your Wrangler. Because we're using that block and tackle, it's giving you the mechanical advantage to lighten that load, so it doesn't require the use of any excessive force to easily lift that hardtop off your Wrangler. And as you can see, it is using a safety latch so that immediately when we let go of the rope, the hardtop is going to stay exactly where we've hoisted it to. And when it comes time to lower your top back down, it's as easily as pulling this rope out at a slight angle away from underneath the block and tackle, and I can let the hardtop down with one hand. If at any point we let go of the rope, again, that safety latch automatically engages, stopping the hardtop from falling down, keeping it safely and securely hung from the ceiling in your garage. If you want to get more information or to purchase a QuadraTop 4-point hardtop hoist so that you can easily, safely, and without the use of any excessive force, remove and reinstall the hardtop from your Wrangler, you can click that info button to head over to Quadratec.com. Of course, if you have any comments or questions about the hoist or how to get it installed, you can always leave this for me down in the comment section below, or by simply heading over to Quadratec.com. And of course, if you haven't already and you like these videos, do me a huge favor, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well as the notification icon, so be sure to catch all of our latest videos. Till next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you out on the trail.